Hi, how y'all doing today? I know it's kind of late in the day. It has been crazy everywhere I go. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. We love it though because it's so much excitement, it's so much positive energy. So yes, we love crazy. And you know what? Today is really special because today I'm actually doing a live here to invite you to the live event we're having on Wednesday. You know what? I'm going to ask you a question. Are you still having a problem getting money, getting revenue into your business, getting leads to come join you, maybe just getting leads to talk to promote your business? And maybe you're having a problem marketing. That's a given. And if you're having any of these problems with cash flow, marketing, any of these wonderful things that we love so much doing, which I do love marketing because it grows and it changes and it evolves every day. And that's another reason why I love this community that we're in is marketing is, like I said, it grows and changes every day. It's like there's a new system out, there's a new strategy, there's a new way to promote, which you should be promoting every day with whatever it is you're selling. And if you're on my team or if you're anywhere near any of that we do, then you'll know all about the curiosity posts and how to promote without promoting, without ever saying the name of your company, the name of your business. All people need to know is who you are. Are you having any problems like this, anything like this at all? You know, I've had a few other broadcasts out here where I've talked to a few people, well, quite a few actually, and I've done a lot of live coachings and I've done a lot of one-on-ones. So what I want to know is who out there, and this is going into the group, and I'm also going to broadcast this, share it over on YouTube in our YouTube group. So who out there is determined to make 2020 the year that you say, I did it. I met my goals. I am successful. I did it. You have to have goals and you have to have motivation and you have to have teaching. You have to have skills. You have to know what to do, when to do it, what to say, how to say it. It's a lot of stuff, right? It is a lot, a lot, a lot. I can't stress enough how much it is. It's a lot to learn. But you'll find, and if you can, as long as, well, I should say as well as I have, is the more I learn, the easier it is to learn more. So I'm inviting you to learn more should you choose to accept the invitation. And here is your invitation. I am putting it down here in the comments. Hold on. Just been a super busy day. Invitation to join live. We're going to be live. So you can ask questions, of course, always questions and answers. So definitely, and it's going to be on Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wednesday, 9, oops, I got to get my microphone out of the way here for you. For me, 9 p.m. Eastern. And let me see. Hold on just a second. Bear with me. Okay, there it is. Okay, there's the link down there. And I'm going to pin that in the comments so that it stays there. So definitely get in here, save your seat. I know some fellow marketers are out there promoting this today also. So I'm not sure how fast this is filled up. I have not checked as of an hour ago. I have not checked since then, and it was already starting to fill up. So definitely get in there, reserve your seat, and I look forward to seeing you at the webinar. It's at an event. I call them events because there's so much being given, so much being shared in these events that you can't help not calling it an event because you're taking your time, you're coming, you're showing up, you're learning, and you're getting more skills. So I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. I will talk to you later. Again, reserve your seat. Please get in there. I'll see you Wednesday. Okay, bye-bye.